are diligent. At Ocean Spray, they work very hard to harvest and produce their cranberry products. Although machines and technical devices are used, most of the work is manual labor, and they take pride in their work. Cranberries are perfection. The workers there take their time to make sure that each product is perfect. Whether it is the cap or the label, they make sure there is no mistake and we enjoy their products.
My favorite part was when we got to see how many microorganisms were on our shoes and skin using the clean sprays we found.
We have 2 people out in blending before we release a batch, and then we have it's done out in the line 2 people every half hour.
My favorite part was the blending. The room smelled so good. It was really cool to be part of the juice making process.
Cranberries are blissful. The workers love their job. The company creates a family environment and has a moving origin.
The reason why I work here, I love what the company stands for. We are a grower-owner cooperative, so I love working for cranberry growers.
I expect to work in manufacturing, but I've kind of grown to love it over the last 5 years. And what really keeps me here is the people. We work with a great team here. We spend more time here than we do at home. It's really been a great place to work.
My favorite part was the machine that wrapped the finished cases of product in plastic before shipping it out to stores.
We have cranberry bogs all over the U.S. We have them on the East Coast, we have them in the Midwest, we have them in Canada. We also get a lot of our ingredient from some other countries.
My favorite part was when the cranberries were getting pumped out into the machine.
My favorite part is when we got to taste test the apple juice straight out of the mixer. It was very juicy.
Cranberries are scrumptious. The workers turn the cranberries into products such as juices and more. They taste delicious and are enjoyed by people everywhere.
Overall, Ocean Spray was marvelous. We enjoyed being there and getting to know the process of cranberry crop to our table.
We love Ocean Spray!